Samskruti College of Engineering and Technology, Department of Mechanical Engineering presents online classes on Thermal Engineering 2 for 3rd BTech first semester students. Now let us have a look at course structure and syllabus of Thermal Engineering 2. Let us begin with the prerequisite of this course. For Thermal Engineering 2, prerequisite will be thermodynamics, which means that if you want to know or if you want to learn about thermal engineering too, you should be aware of basic concepts of thermodynamics. So that is what prerequisites. Now let us talk about course objective. Objective of thermal engineering 2 is to apply the laws of thermodynamics to analyze steam and gas turbine cycles and to perform analysis of the major components of steam and gas turbine plants and their applications. And course outcomes. At the end of the course, which means that after studying thermal engineering 2, the student should be able to develop state space diagram based on the schematic diagram of process flow of steam and gas turbine plants, apply the laws of thermodynamics to analyze thermodynamic cycles, differentiate between vapor power cycles and gas power cycles, infer from property charts and tables, and to apply the data for the evaluation of performance parameters of the steam and gas turbine plants. Understand the functionality of major components of steam and gas turbine plants and to do the analysis of those components. Okay, this is about prerequisite, course objective and course outcomes of the thermal engineering 2. And I hope that you guys have already gone through the syllabus. The total syllabus of thermal engineering 2 is divided among 5 units. First unit deals with steam power plant and boilers. Second unit is about steam nozzles. Third unit deals with steam turbines and reaction turbines. In fourth unit, we will study about steam condensers and gas turbines. And finally, in fifth unit, we will study about jet propulsion and rockets. Today, I won't start the syllabus. Just I'm here to give a brief introduction about the thermal engineering 2, what are the contents it is having and all. Tomorrow, we will directly start steam power plant and boilers, which is unit 1. And one thing I mention here is please attend the classes regularly. And another important thing is to maintaining of your class notes, which is very important. So when you are learning in online, maintaining of daily notes is very essential. So then only you will be understanding the concept of what we will discuss here. Otherwise it will be difficult. So please maintain class notes daily and attend and come online at right time, so that it will be easy to understand or grasp the concepts. Otherwise it will be difficult. As it is online, I cannot repeat again and again. So I hope you guys understand my problem and your problem also. So let's start with the syllabus. Tomorrow I will see you tomorrow with the first unit, which is steam power plant and boilers. Thank you.